Very quick role play for you guys. How I would do this in situ with a group of little angels. So imagine, of course, I'm not going to sit down, but you can imagine I'm sitting down on a chair, and I can imagine you're all sitting on the floor looking up at me with big, ready-to-learn eyes. Okay. Now, hey guys, look at this. Who can raise their hand? What is that? What is that? Anyone? Anyone? Warren, do you know what that is? It's a moon. Is that day or nighttime? Is that day? It's nighttime. It's the moon. Can you say moon? 1, 2, 3. Moon. One more time. Moon. Can we count that out? Moon. Can you tap your legs for me? Moon. How many sounds is that? Moon. How many sounds is that? 3. Shall we check? Wonderful. Robin, which is the oo? Well done. Where's the n? Wonderful. Just a little picture of a moon, right? And you've done quite a lot of stuff there. You do 4 to 6 of those. Put them on the floor and have the kids point and touch and say, repeat after you, shuffle them up, hand them out, and they walk it. It's a moon, and they hand it off. You've just done a bunch of language. Something very basic.